Hello and welcome to another episode of To The Point. The topic of discussion is 55th GST Council meeting. Why in the news? Recently, the 55th GST Council meeting chaired by Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman was held in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. The council discussed changes in GST rates, trade facilitation measures, compliance streamlining and relief provisions for various sectors. Key changes in GST rates: goods, fortified rice kernel, GST rate reduced to 5%. Gene therapy exempted from GST. LRSAM systems, IGST exemption extended to systems and parts for manufacturing. Merchant exporters, compensation cess reduced to 0.1% for specific supplies. IAEA inspection team imports exempted from IGST. Food preparations for free distribution. Concessional GST rate of 5% extended under government programs. Services. Sponsorship services brought under forward charge mechanism. Third-party motor vehicle premium contributions exempted from GST when contributed to Motor Vehicle Accident Fund. Hotel accommodation and restaurant services, GST rates linked to supply value effective from 1st April 2025. Trade facilitation measures. Special Economic Zone and Free Trade Warehousing Zone transactions, supplies in SEZ, FTWZ before clearance will not be treated as supply of goods or services. Vouchers. Treated neither as supply of goods nor services, related services taxed on associated charges. Circulars for clarity. Issues like ITC reversal, voucher transactions, and late fee applicability clarified to address legal ambiguities. Measures to streamline compliance. Track and trace mechanism enabled through a unique identification marking for specified commodities. Online services supply mandates recording of state details for unregistered recipients on invoices. Temporary identification numbers introduced for unregistered persons required to make GST payments. Amendments in CGST Act, provisions for invoice management, ITC reversal and credit note adjustments were revised. Significance and impact. The Council's decisions enhance clarity in GST implementation and support businesses through streamlined compliance. Trade facilitation measures, including the SEZ, FTWZ provisions, aim to reduce disputes and promote ease of doing business. Rate changes reflect government focus on economic inclusivity and sector-specific relief, particularly for exporters and essential services. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements about the 55th GST Council meeting. The GST rate on fortified rice kernel was increased to 12%. Gene therapy services are exempt from GST. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.